Hello, to fix talk function problem not working on your Tapo C120 camera, first of all you have to go into your device right here, and there you have the button to talk. You simply have to be sure that your camera's microphone and camera speaker are turned on. Same applies to the voice call function. You have to be sure that the microphone and the speaker right here are on, and also these sliders are not muted actually. So that's actually how to do it on the application. And in case it's still not working, I recommend to take your camera, and on the right side of the camera right here you have the on the right side of your camera right here you have the button to reset the camera, and you simply have to take your pin which is included in the camera, press and hold the button for the 5 seconds until the camera restarts, and proceed with the configuration of your camera again. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.